Nah itu kopi tonang di Pare Mangalembak. Ya. Yo, gara-gara kopi tadi.
Maka tuh dia turun nasar teh.
Dalam mesti mengalah ke keparenya sa pembangunan lantai tongkrongan. Jadi kerjaan macam apa itu? Anak sahunan 250. Gerakan. Dua pare itu. Jadi jangan kenal. Panen 25. Selesai. Ya deh, jangan kok. Data yang bermata. Kamu dong nih. Data itu kamu dong nih. Tangan dong. Tangan.
Apa ini sih? Ya di komisi itu mengulang oh isi lah, isi. Cuma kalung. Iya. Sumpah cuma
dan nama kamu delika tu pare kialang totemo te sibagi mulai deto namai namane liatu namane bebo tumbang datu. mangka tidak koto ma benduan na matangaki ya tu dini matanga di sangois somotek dari lunga rupa tu isong ma bolle jadi tu marepe jadi malam bukan kali.
Rina, nanti ambil kita ini.
Disilakan. Laku. Tidak membuat. Budaya Suku Toraja. Ia mengenai temen hai tampil beda tuan nak tak kira ikuti kegiatan. Kampung Tanuru Jorapa Toraja Ibu Kadis kampung Bagaimana ya dia kailangi wi satu kuat itu kayak wi bahasa dia. Iya, sisi mana lah. Yo bagian dia yang mami itu kata tak mampu sangkai ku mulai bisa hasil laku tanggal 22 tiap hari ya teh
Bukan melarang yang ratus pak. Mau kata makan nena.
Dapat kadis, yuk.
Ikan mana ya? Berikan kok. Ada lo balik.
Baik. Ya. Oh iya. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Pemuda pelajar sangatlah layuna PNS, IPPMS, pemuda. Please, what do you comment about these activities in español?
Pues la verdad es que es muy interesante poder contemplar cómo la gente intenta conservar sus culturas, sus tradiciones. Realmente, pues un aplauso bien fuerte para vosotros.
¡Wow! ¡Bravo, bravo! Amigo.
Hablar español también. Es un lujo estar aquí, poder compartir esta tradición y sobre todo deciros que es extraordinario el sentido de proteger la cultura desde el origen y no perderla. Así que sería necesario que esto lo repitierais constantemente.
Gracias, amigo. Wow.
And now in English, keep your traditions alive. It's very important.
Very good. Thank you.
Yeah, first. You say where you come from, what's your name, and how about you see about the Torajan traditional about Aluk Pare and Aluk, please.
Nama saya Niko, saya dari Filipina. Umur saya 20 tahun, saya tinggal di Philippines, jurusan saya informatika.
From Philippines, speaking Philippine.
Ako si Niko, kami ay nagpapasalamat at nandito kami sa napakagandang lugar nyo na Toraja. Napakaswerte namin na napagpat dito sa lugar nyo. Napakaganda.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
Okay, ada dari Thailand, please Thailand, you can speak how you sing about the tradition.
In your language. Thai language.
สวัสดีครับผมปัตตกรพงศถิต
สวัสดี
สวัสดีครับมาจากไทยแลนด์มาจากประเทศไทยครับแล้วก็ผมรู้สึกชอบวัฒนธรรมที่นี่แล้วก็อาหารอร่อย We love your culture yes
Kongkungkan.
Iya, beri semangat. Ada dari mana lagi?
Thailand, cewek.
Thailand, ya, please Thailand.
สวัสดีค่ะดิฉันชื่อนางสาวจุฬาลักษณ์กันตรีชื่อเล่นชื่อเอค่ะมาจากไทยแลนด์ค่ะแล้วก็ชอบวัฒนธรรมที่นี่มากแล้วก็อาหารก็อร่อยแล้วก็มีขนมที่แตกต่างจากประเทศไทยแต่บางอย่างก็เหมือนกันขอบคุณค่ะ
Maraming salamat po sa pag-imbita nyo sa amin dito and we was culture shock. Your culture was so beautiful and wonderful and I hope someday we will go again here. Yes, in the future maybe after we finish our studies. And yeah, thank you so much. Terima kasih.
Okay, hello, my name is Maynard. In the Philippines, we say mabuhay, which means long live. So, my message here in Toraja is mabuhay Toraja! Thank you very much for having us here. Thank you.
Okay, sudah
Beri
semua.
semangat, ya.
Another one?
Sudah. Oh ya, please.
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. And I say that I love Toraja. Yeah, we love Toraja. Maraming salamat.
Yeah, this is we call in Latina una rasa, una pasa. So Vietnam speak Vietnam, Thailand, Philippines, Toraja speak Toraja, Jerman speak Jerman, Spanyol speak Spanyol. Inilah una rasa, una pasa. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, my brothers and sisters from Philippines, Thailand, and what else? Yeah.
Okay, so it's really appreciated you attend this part of traditional of harvesting rice. That the domina, the master of ceremony before, already explained where is the rice come at the beginning. Yeah, he explained that at the beginning the rice actually stay up to the sky in a very beautiful decorated basket. Anyhow, the king of rice, namely Takebuku, found out that stay in such a small room, even that beautiful decorated bamboo basket already, he asked to the creator, Mr. Creator, Totumampa, can you let me go down to the wider area, which is the land right now? And the creator permitted the king of rice, namely Takebuku, to come down to the land. And then here the land, it grow nicely like we harvest today from the rice field with water of course, and then with human being working hard. In front of human being, rice is the most valuable plantation. That's why the human being, by Torajan people, treat the rice how nicely, how beautifully, like you witnessed today. How do we start harvest? How do we start carrying from the rice field until here? How do we divide it in between for every single people who take a part during the process? And then the rest we keep in the rice bag. Yeah, like you saw, how do we lift up, how do we put it down? Also, you already witnessed how do we process to skin it out until we eat today together. Yeah, we say if we are always stay together in happiness, everything will run very good in our life. Whatever we do, whatever we believe. Yeah, that was the philosophy of Toraja. So the rest of the rice that we keep will be used for any compound family who live in this Tongkonan house, or even any visitor from everywhere, include you. When you come again here, the door is open. Yeah, you know the Torajan house, the Tongkonan never locked in the daytime. So it's always open. So when you pass by or you want to overnight, the door is open. Also the floor of rice bar keep open like that way. So it means the heart of Torajan people are always welcoming whoever. Because we find in our life that human being, whatever he or she look like, he is human being, she is human being. So we don't care how beauty, how handsome the person, but as long as a part of the body human being, that's human being. So we really keep it together that brotherness and sisterness is the most important in our life. You also should remember for us, Torajan people, we say this life right now is actually just an overnight. Such a short time, isn't it? So we have no room, we have no time, we have no place to fight, we have no place to misunderstood. But human being, that can happen. And that's happened that we will sit down together again in the rice barn to solve the problem. Yeah, so how beautiful the philosophy, the culture of Toraja, like you already see, like you already touched. So like you comment, you told us that you will always come again and you will tell the other people wherever you are, especially in your own country. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. Konkulka. Ya, thank you very much. Oke, baik. Ya, begitu ya.